Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find Binance listings before the listing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option labeled Announcement, which you'll find on the middle of the screen. This is where Binance posts all its official communications, including details about upcoming listings. It's frequently updated, so checking this section regularly can give you early access to critical information before others catch on. Once you're in the announcement section, go to the listings under New Cryptocurrency Listing. This is where Binance shares updates about coins or tokens that are about to be listed on the platform. Keep an eye on this area, as it's updated dynamically whenever new information becomes available. When you spot a potential new listing, tap on it to explore more details. Each announcement typically includes the coin's background, listing time, deposit and trading start dates, and sometimes even special promotions tied to the launch. And that's it. So that is how you can find Binance listings before the listing. So that's all for this video. Thanks.